Alright YouTube, this is going to be a computer upgrade video. This is my old computer. I already took most of the stuff out, as you can see. But it's going to be a new case. It's the Coolermaster Scout or something. There it is, my Coolermaster. And I'm going to have a Intel Core i5. It's going to be the i5 2500K. 8 gigs of RAM. And I'm going to have 1.5 terabyte and a 1 terabyte. And the Coolermaster 212 CPU cooler, NVIDIA GTS 450, and Coolermaster GX 650 watt power supply, and this Gigabyte motherboard, the Z68X UD3H, and just a fan, and yeah. I'm putting in the power supply now. The motherboard going in. Okay, I got the hard drives in, CPU's in, the RAM, PSU. That's what I got so far. Okay, the DVD drive's in, the cooler in. It's Coolermaster 212, just like that. Okay, I'm putting my graphics card now, the GTS 450, and here we go. It's just gonna go in just like that. Just like that. Okay, now I got the side panel fan on, and got the GPU of GTS 450. The fan's on there now. I think everything's set. Everything's hooked up. We've got the side panel fan on, power supply, CPU cooler, GPU, hard drive, DVD drive, motherboard, everything's hooked up. Time to put the side panel on. Gonna make sure everything is hooked up properly. So let's test it out. Turn on the LEDs. There we go. Got the front fan, side fan, CPU fan's running, rear fan's running, top fan's running, and GPU's running. Hard drives are vibrating. Everything's running proper. See you guys next time.